So tonight, a mother appearing in court today on a manslaughter charge. Police arrested her hours after her one-year-old son died of severe burns. CBS 4's Gary Nelson is live tonight where a custody hearing was held for her 5 surviving children. Gary.
And a family court judge this afternoon gave custody of those 5 remaining children to the state of Florida, allowing visitation by their father, who is estranged from the mother and is not married to her. Friends now struggling to cope, trying to understand how this mom could allegedly allow her little boy to die a torturous death.
Of aggravated manslaughter.
35-year-old Christina Hurt hauled up on charges of manslaughter of a child. Police say she allowed her one-year-old son, Ethan, to die a long, agonizing death. Here at Hurt's homestead home Wednesday night, the little boy was scalded from his chest to his toes when police say a sibling turned the hot water on in his bath while Hurt wasn't watching him. Police say even though the boy's skin was falling from his body, this mother didn't take him to the hospital. It wasn't until Thursday when Hurt drove her son to this home of friends in Goulds and he stopped breathing that she screamed for help. This neighbor gave the child CPR to no avail. Back in Homestead, neighbors were sympathetic to this woman they viewed as a doting mother of 6.
She panicked. She don't deserve no jail time. You just think a mother just lost her child and being in prison at the same time, that's a lot to bear.
But Hurt has neglected a child before. In 2014, Florida City police were called by a daycare. The police report said she had dropped a daughter off there with a large gash on her head. The child told police her mom had pushed her off the bed. An officer rushed the girl to a hospital where doctors said she'd suffered a skull fracture. Hurt pled no contest to child neglect and got probation. Her closest friends now struggling to understand how she could watch her little boy suffer and die.
I just want to know, like, what made you do that?
I'm setting a bond of $20,000.
Hurt is being held on felony charges that carry possible hard time in prison. Governor Rick Scott issued a statement today calling Ethan Coley's death, quote, gut-wrenching. DCF Secretary Mike Carroll saying he is appalled and heartbroken by it. DCF dealt severely with this mom back after her arrest for child neglect in 2014. They took her children from her for an extended period of time. She is now facing up to 30 years in prison if convicted of killing her little boy. We're live in Miami. Gary Nelson, CBS 4 News.
All right, Gary, thank you. And